Varargs. Before we get into the implementation of Varargs, I will talk a little about where would one need to implement Varargs. All through the learning process, you and I have been creating or writing functions or methods with specified number of arguments. What do we do if we do not exactly know the number of arguments to a given method? The first thing that comes to the mind of a Java programmer is an object array. This does not explain much about the method which has an indeterminate number of arguments. In most other programming languages, we use Varargs. Java 5.0 is now providing you the new feature called Varargs, similar to other languages such as C and C++. Varargs allows you to create methods specifying multiple arguments of the same type and do not require the number of arguments to be predetermined, both at compile and runtime. Here I have an example of how to create a Varargs. A version of car constructor that use Varargs to allow an indeterminate number of string features. The one highlighted in blue is the syntax for creating Varargs. The type followed by 3 dots is used as a syntax to create a Varargs. Here are the two builders of the car, Ford and Ferrari. The color of the car. The features of the first car and the features of the second car. If you have noticed, the number of features of the car 1 are different from car 2. The first car has power steering, automatic locking system, and GPS enabled. Car 2 has automatic gears and power steering. Here is a simple example of Varargs. In this example, I have created a function print which takes a variable number of arguments of string. And then I have created a string array as you can see here, and then call the print method, passing the array. Now let's compile this code. Here is the output. Remember that the variable arguments needs to be the last parameter of a given method. However, print does not have any other arguments and therefore this is a legal statement. For more implementation details of Varargs, I would refer you to the Java Virtual Guru implementation example section.